So here's a little gaming, little chill little bedroom. And then boom, the galore of the walk-in closet for women. Look at this, man. Like, this would be amazing. Just amazing. And you got all your jewelry, your shoes, your clothes, your records, your Oscars. You got your little vanity. Cool.
Oh, that's cute.
And here we are finally at the kids section.
Look at the little reading room.
It's a reading area. Take your nap, read your Bible.
Mommy, look in here. Cheetos.
Cheetos. Cheetahs.
Your drawing area. Put all your pictures up.
Mommy, come here. I've seen some bunk beds.
You got your Cheetos down here.
Come see, I found some bunk beds. And Mom,
This is the bed I was looking at for her.
Mom, look at Playhouse.
Her homework.
Yeah.
Homework time.
Mommy, look at this.
You don't have a walk-in closet? No problem. Build it.
And then I can change it out. No button.
These are pretty cool. These are like some little fans on the wall that look like speakers. What they should do is make a fan and a speaker into one unit. Copyright that. I made that up.
Oh my God. Wait, Mr. Bumble.
Look at this.
A playhouse.
A little couch. Oh, that's the one that's at the church. The one that we got from Allie. Look. They didn't pay the electricity bill. That's what happens.
Oh yeah, that's all you.
I love you, Daddy.
Mm-hmm.
Mommy,
And here is the food items I was telling you about. Not